Hi, I'm RussellCorey with SeeTheProduct.com, and I'd like to start this product presentation with a quote from Bill Gates, who had a vision of the future a long time ago. And his famous quote describing this vision was, "A computer on every desk and in every home running Microsoft software." Now, the product I'm going to show you today is not some high-tech device. It's actually a pretty simple concept. But just like Bill Gates, I could see this product in every home, and not just in every home, almost in every room in every home. So what is it? Well, you've actually been looking at it the whole time back here. I like to call it the Velcro shelf. And true to its name, it's just a shelf made of Velcro, and you can use it to organize things. In this instance, I've used it as a key fob holder, but you can use it for multiple purposes. Now, I'm certainly not the first person to think of using Velcro as a life hack to help organize your home. But just putting Velcro strips or tabs on your wall is not aesthetically pleasing. Just not a good look. The key to the Velcro shelf is mounting the Velcro first on a mounting plate and then putting that on the wall. So when it goes on, it blends in naturally like a light switch or an electrical socket. And because you're using Velcro to mount it, it doesn't damage the walls with any screws or nails. And if you don't like it or you want to move it to another place, you just take it down and use it somewhere else, and you'd never know it was there. Now, I've been using the Velcro shelves in my home for about 3 months now, and I want to show you, sometimes I use a smaller shelf, sometimes I use a larger shelf, and I want to show you these applications to see some of the ways it works best. In my bathroom, I keep a Velcro shelf to put my medications on. I have 2 small children, so this keeps it out of the reach. Now, I used to keep this hidden away on a regular shelf in another room. The problem was, out of sight, out of mind, and a lot of mornings I forget to take my pills. Whereas when I put it here, it's out of reach of my kids, but it's also clearly visible. In our living room, we keep a Velcro shelf by our TV and our couch, and that way we can use it as a docking station for our remote controls. So at our front door, we keep a Velcro shelf as a last-minute reminder. If we have something we need to mail, we just put it up there. It's just on a clothespin, and when I go out the front door, take it down and take it with me and put it in the mail. Now, if I need to remember something that I can't fit on the clothespin, I can just write a note and put the note up there. And that way, when I'm leaving in the morning, I remember at the last minute, hey, I got to pick up my dry cleaning today. And speaking of notes, my wife and I keep a Velcro shelf in our kitchen and our living room area, and we can keep a 3M Post-it note pad right there, along with a Sharpie. And if we do keeping running grocery lists that we need for the week, we can put it up there. And when it's time to go to the grocery store, we just take our note down and head out, put our Sharpie back there so it doesn't get lost. Over here by the sink, we keep a Velcro shelf in case we're doing dishes or unloading the dishwasher. We've got this up here, and if we want to listen to some music, we can put our iPhone up there, and we don't have to worry about it getting wet. Back here, we keep a couple of Velcro shelves. I keep items up here that I'm always looking for but are constantly getting lost. Scissors, tape, some keys, stamps, a thermometer for our kids. Another great idea with a Velcro shelf, in case the power goes out at night and you need a flashlight, instead of stumbling around the dark, looking in drawers and cabinets, if you take a small Velcro shelf, put it on your wall, take a flashlight, put it on there, and when the lights go out, you can just feel your way around the wall, especially if it's close to a light switch. You know exactly where it is. Bang, goes on, and you're in business. So I hope you see the promise in the Velcro shelf. Aesthetically pleasing, keeps things organized and handy. This is the way they live on the space station, and they do that because of zero gravity. If they didn't have things sticking, they'd just float off and get lost. Well, we have that same problem on Earth, even with gravity. Things are constantly going away and getting lost, or it's not in the drawer that you're looking for, not in the box you're looking for. Here it's visible. If it's missing, you know it's missing, and when you do find it again, you know exactly where it goes. So the Velcro shelf, it keeps things handy, keeps them visible, keeps them fun. If it's an idea you think your company would have some interest in, please reach out to me at my email address, RussellCorey at SeeTheProduct, or you can go to our SeeTheProduct.com, or you can go to our website, SeeTheProduct.com, and contact me that way. I hope it's something you're interested in, and hope to hear from you soon.